Good afternoon, writers. I'm just going to make a quick hello, say hello, hello. And today we are taking a pause. We're just going to stop. We've been in school for 4 weeks. There are many things that were due that we are working on. And today and Wednesday, you're just going to get your work done. And that is it. Also, I am going to add a little tutorial at the end of this for those of you who want to create a website to put your digital notebooks on. You don't have to do it today, but I thought if you got a little time, you might want to. All right, everybody, have a fabulous day. Make the most of your time, and I cannot wait to see you again. Goodbye. Okay, so what I'd like you to do is go into Google Classroom and you're going to pull up this 5-week pause. I was actually going to call it a fermata, but that's not technically correct. So what you will see here is what is overdue at this point, what lesson it came from, and the instructional video. So just go through, and did I do my Flipgrid? If you didn't do your Flipgrid and you need instructions, then you go to the instructional video. Did you fill out your contract? If you didn't, click on this link and that will bring you to your contract. Did you finish your email etiquette? And obviously it just goes down. The biggest thing is I want everybody by Thursday to have their draft of their narrative finished and to have added some sensory language. So I think that's probably the hardest. Now, if you are finished with everything and you are completely up to date, then you're going to use this time to work on your independent writing project. Okay, so that's it, kids. Thanks so much. Bye. Okay, so really quickly, I want to show you how to create a website to house your digital notebooks. So you're going to go into your Google Drive and you're going to go over to your apps menu. It's 9 dots. It looks like a waffle iron, some people say. It's called the Google Apps menu. You're going to go down to the word Sites. And when you go to Sites, I want you to hit that blank button. And it's going to give you an untitled site. And I want you to call it Communication Arts. And then do a tilde. And a tilde is that little squiggly line. It's just above your tab key. And put your last name. And then that's going to name your site. And then on this page, I want you to write the word digital notebooks. And you can kind of spread this out. Now, you can feel free right here to play around with the themes and pick a theme that you like. They're all different, and you can actually even create your own image if you want. But for right now, I'm just going to pick this. Well, maybe I'm not. Maybe I'll do this one. It's kind of fun. Okay, so, and then you're going to go to the word insert. And here, for right now, we have 2 digital notebooks that we have done. So I just want you to grab the layout with the 2. It's an image in the text. And I want you to drop that in. And then here, I want you to write digital notebook number 1. And then call this intro. Notebook. Introduction notebook. And then here I want you to write the same thing, but do digital notebook number 2. And I want you to write narrative writing. Okay, and then these plus buttons, you're going to go plus, and I want you to go from your drive and if you go over to this little arrow to the right, do you see it says My Drive, shared with me? If you click that arrow, go to the word recent. And I'm going to put in my first notebook, and you highlight it, and then you press the word insert. And it goes right in. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to go to the second one. You're going to say from your drive. You're going to go over to this arrow, go to the word recent, and then grab that second notebook. Now, what's really nice about this is this notebook, as you update the notebook, it will automatically update on your Google site. And so then when you are completely finished and you have both notebooks there, I want you to hit that word publish. And it will take a second and your site will be published. Now, I'd like you to bookmark this. So do you see this little lock up here where it says sites? Just go ahead and drag that down. And so that you have it right there. Some of you I've noticed have already started folders up on your bookmarks. So if you have, then you can go ahead and put Communication Arts into a folder. And that is it. This is optional for right now, but for those of you who are keeping digital notebooks, I would like you to think about putting them onto a website so you have one place where you are housing them. Okay, thank you so much, writers. Have a great day. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.